Hello and welcome to GCSE Biology, and we're looking at our new topic today, which is called diffusion. So what is diffusion? Diffusion is the movement of a substance from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. So our cells go through a process called respiration. Now our cells produce waste, and that waste has to be taken out of the cells so they can function properly in our bodies. And that is the process of what we call diffusion. Diffusion happens in liquids and gases because their particles move randomly from place to place. Now, before I mentioned that diffusion is a movement of a substance from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. So let's take, for example, a coffee cup. Now, if you have a coffee cup full of just coffee grains, now those coffee grains are in an area of high concentration. In other words, those coffee grains are very close together in a cup, and it's an area of high concentration. Now, if we were to put the milk and the water into the coffee cup and stir the coffee, when you come into the room, you will smell that coffee. So that means the smell or the gases from that particular coffee have now moved from an area of high concentration from the cup to an area of low concentration all over the room, whereby you and I can actually smell that cup of coffee or the coffee coming from that cup. And diffusion is an important process for all living things because it is how substances move in and out of a cell. And this whole process is called diffusion. So diffusion is also very closely met with a process called respiration. Now, respiration, I don't mean breathing in and out. Respiration produces waste carbon dioxide, causing the amount of carbon dioxide to increase in the cells. Now, when that carbon dioxide increases in the cells, eventually the carbon dioxide concentration in the cell is higher than that in the surrounding blood in a body, in a human body. So the carbon dioxide then diffuses out through the cell's membrane into the blood. And this process is also called respiration. But how is this process carried out? That's what we call diffusion. And that's what this topic is basically all about. So have a read of the information here and answer the questions. Try your best. And then our next follow-up question will go through all this information in much more detail for you. Thank you.